So when you look at this question, you should be thinking, I'm not going to be intimidated by this difficult base. It's easy to change bases. And anyway, if we look, it's the same base everywhere. In fact, it's the same number everywhere. Log of 81 everywhere. We can just factorize that out. Some of you divided through by this. You can't divide through by it because of that 273. So you've got to try and lay your work out well here. There's two separate problems now. I've got this inside there. That's just a geometric progression. I want to write a little lemma here away from my main working. Here's my main working in this equation, but I need to know what's inside these brackets. So I write a little lemma. Let's just do this here. First term is minus 32. The common ratio is clearly minus a half. How many terms are there? Now that's not completely obvious. Now you can always look at the last term and put that into the formula a r to the n minus 1, but I'm just going to count them. 32, 16, 8, 4, 2 is 5, then there's a 1 in the middle, and then like a reflection of the other half, quarter, eighth, 16, 32, so there's 11. So I put that in, and then I've just got a very simple formula, and so I can just put it in here. And there we are. So this adds up to a rather awkward number there. Okay, so my lemma is complete. And so I know that that is equal to that. I've now got a logarithms question, essentially a separate question. This is just a multiply here. So I'm just going to multiply that up and across. Now you should always know what to do if you have log of something equals a number. Let's just say that they have, let's turn it into an index equation. There's the base, third root of x, so there's the base, and just swap the other two. Now this feels intimidating, but the cube root should always be written as a power. We've got laws of indices here. It simplifies, and I get that as an acceptable answer. However, 81 is a number you should recognize. It's 3 to the power 4, so it does simplify a little. So tricky question.